What's up, and welcome back to another Never Broken Auto video. I actually flew to Colorado. I'm with my boy Matthew here. We're working on his S14 with a little 1J swap, and I came over last year in November, and we took this apart, and he's now rebuilding it. He got the head refreshed, and we're gonna basically reseal everything. He's cleaning the pistons right now. We're gonna go through some wiring, basically just double check everything, clean all the parts like the turbo, basically all the stock shit, put it back on, refreshed, and hopefully get it running this weekend. I'm here until Sunday. It's Thursday right now. We're gonna go snowboarding tomorrow, fucking work on the whip, chill. It's nice to be up here in a different environment with a whole ass shop. Bro manages this shop, so we're just chilling here working on his whip. It's like 11:30 or so. I don't know, it's kind of late, but we whipped up a little concoction of ETF fluid and acetone.
You show them what this one looks like.
Yeah, like it used to look like that, and that's maybe like 5 minutes worth of work, and it already looks like that. So we just taped off all the coolant ports and stuff just to be safe. Give it a little bit of scrubby dubby dub, and then we'll turn it through with the crank.
I think before we install the head too, we should still do another
Clean, yeah, just brake clean everything.
But for now, there's like,
Yeah.
about this right here should be good enough for now until we get everything else.
Yeah, no, we'll just want to go through and brake clean all the shit, and then we'll want to make sure we actually clean like the surface of the deck.
Exactly.
But yeah, fucking, we're gonna go pick up the head tomorrow after we go boarding, and fuck yeah, we're just gonna be cranking on this shit. Maybe make a little time lapse, but I don't know when I'll be filming, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright, we're getting this front main seal done, and then we're gonna retime it, or we're just gonna do all this stuff up here in the front until we get the head back on, and then we can retime the car. But got this out, car's at TDC, cranking along. Got the exhaust hanging all up, nice. Just fucking chilling there for now. Getting the car down, back on the ground, and then yeah, cleaned some shit, took off the water pump, cleaned all the pistons. Basically, we were just waiting for the head, and yeah. All right, I don't know what the last thing I filmed was. We went snowboarding today.
He's already fucking sending me the torque sequences, bro. He's on that shit.
We met a homie across the street who has like a bunch of S14s, 180s, and then a Cresta. All right, I don't know what the last thing I filmed was, but me and Matthew went snowboarding today, and he had one of his techs pick up his head from the machine shop. Our goal tonight is get this thrown on with all the accessories. So basically it'll just be like hooking up small little stuff, but we're gonna get the head on. We're gonna put the water pump on first real quick. Make sure this is all done here, then the head, and then keep on scooting along. Water pump, this little outlet piece with the delete, and then the radiator back on. We're just gonna torque those down. I just placed the head gasket on there just to check what it looks like, and then yeah, probably gonna get this head on there. Copper head gasket now on. We're gonna get the head up to here, and then we're gonna transfer her up and over. Get her on that bitch. Transferred up and over. Super duper clean, golly. Woo. All right, so when we roll this, we're gonna have this up here, and then we're just gonna pick it up. Whew.
And after we get the head studs in and torque it down, let's fucking get the whole front end tidied up.
Alright, you got that 12-point socket? Different day now, but made some progress. Heads on, cams are torqued. We had to go through a few cam sequences to make sure that they're all in timed. Valve covers are going on. About to time the car. I just threw on the tensioner and the idler, and then I'm gonna put the thing on, or the belt on, finish that up, and then put manifolds on and start buttoning shit up and hopefully start it later. See how it goes, but I'll update you guys in a little bit. Probably won't be filming much because we're trying to crank this shit out, so see you guys in a little bit. It's been a little bit, but the motor is now timed. Turbo's on, intake manifolds on, valve covers on. Basically it looks like a motor again. So I'm gonna keep working on this with Matthew. And we're gonna get this bitch running later. Alright, what up? It's been quite a few hours. Me and this fool fucking we're cranking. And the car looks way different than the last clip, so. Basically everything other than like the filter, fluids, this catch can hose, and this VVTi fucking bolt, and it's basically ready to run, to be honest. We're gonna fucking work on it tomorrow though. It's already like 3 in the morning. We cranked basically this whole motor out today, so crank it out tomorrow, get her started. How you feeling?
Feeling good, bro. Feeling out of it.
Fucking 3 in the morning. We've been here for God knows how long. I don't even know what time we got here, but we've been here for a while, so I'll see you guys tomorrow when we get this thing started. First crank. Go ahead. Sounds fucking good. Go ahead.
Fucking runs.
Me and Matthew ended up getting his car running. I had to actually fly back home, but he just had to tighten up a few pulleys and double check a few things. But car's running. I'm pretty sure he had an issue with his VVTi cam cap. I think it cracked, but he's gonna get that fixed, get the car running, and he'll have the car tuned back up in Colorado, and I'll be back out there hopefully in the next few months, and we'll be drifting together. So I know it's kind of different than what I normally film, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll have some more videos coming out for you guys soon. I'm just waiting for parts to come in, but y'all know how that goes. It takes a little bit of time, but I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great new year. Go kill it. See you guys in the next one. Later.